Stop striving for perfection this new year. Set a few exciting and meaningful goals for this year. It can be anything: learning digital marketing, learning video editing, learning English, becoming a YouTuber. And don't worry about being an immature, because initially nobody is perfect. Say it: I am enough. I have enough time. I have enough money. I have a good memory. I am complete as I am. Fall in love with the process. Stay consistent and show up every day, even for few minutes. Make mistakes and learn from your mistakes, because experience is the best teacher, and eventually you are gonna win.